my dear student. Welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's class I'm going to explain all the exercises of chapter 19 which is given in your English grammar book. Student, so let's start the writing of exercises chapter 19. So first of all, you all take out your notebooks and mention date of today, and after that there is a first exercise, exercise A. You have to write exercise E. Rewrite this sentence using capital letters and full stop. So student, in my previous video explained all the concept of capital letter and full stop. So student, we have learned that we have to use capital letter in the beginning and at the middle when it is the name of a special person, things or animals, and we have to put a full stop on the end of the sentence. So let's rewrite this sentence using capital letter and full stop. So here is the first, he plays the flute. Okay, so what will we do? We have to write the first letter H in a capital. So we have to write he plays the flute. Okay, and after that we have to put a full stop. Now the next stage, number second, New Delhi is the capital of India. So student, we have to write N in a capital. After that, Delhi is the name of a place, so we have to write D in a capital. New Delhi is the capital of India. So after that, next, the river Thames is in London. So student, we all know that we have to write river's name in a capital. Okay, so here we have to write first letter T in a capital. After that, THE, the river Thames. So the T of Thames we have to write in a capital. Thames is in London. Okay, so we also write L in a capital letter. Okay, now next number 4 is Jim and Bob are traveling to Mumbai on Friday. So what will be changed here? So we have to write J in a capital, Bob in a capital because it is a person name, and after that we have to change M in a capital and Friday in a capital because we have to learn that we have to change first letter of person name, day's name, month's name or city's name in a capital letter. Okay, so now next is number 5, Deepak and Pooja are best friends. So we have to write Deepak in a capital and Pooja in a capital. Okay, so Deepak and Pooja are best friends. After that, tomorrow is Good Friday. So we also know that we have to use capital letter in the beginning of sentence. So here we have to write T in a capital and after that we have to change F in a capital. So tomorrow is a Good Friday. After that, number 7, Mr. Boss is a teacher. Mr. Boss is a teacher. So we have to write Mr. Boss is a teacher. Okay, Boss is a title, Boss is a surname. So we have to also convert first letter of Boss in a capital letter because it is a surname. Okay, so now next is number 8, Rohan has a pet cat named Mint. So here is we have to write R in a capital. Rohan has a pet cat named, so the pet name is Mint. So we have to write M in a capital. Now the next, number 9, Aditya is a good boy. So we have to write Aditya is a good boy like this. Okay, and the next, number 10, we celebrate Christmas on 25 December. So student, we have to write, we have to change W in a capital. We celebrate Christmas. So we have to change C in a capital and December D in a capital. Okay. After that, come to the next, exercise B. In exercise B, one word in each sentence should begin with a capital letter. Encircle the word, write the letters in the blanks. So in this exercise, we have to find out that word which begin with a capital. So student, in number 1, we can see that today is Earth Day. So here is the word Earth should be written in a capital letter. Okay, so here is the first letter of Earth we have to write in a capital. So we have to write E on the given blanks in a capital. Okay, Now the next sentence, there is a Pooja and Shalu are planting a tree. So here we can see that Pooja written in a small letter, so we have to change P in a capital, so we have to write down P in this given blank. Next, number third, their teacher told them about Earth Day. So student, we have to write T in a capital. We should write T in a capital, so we have to write T here. Okay. Now the next, number 4, Shalu knows that trees are important. So here the word Shalu, it is a person name, so it should be begin with a capital. So we have to write S on the given blanks. Okay. Now the next, number 5, trees are home to birds. So here is the first letter of T should be begin with a capital, so we have to write T here. Okay students, so it will be done, exercise A and B. So after that, next exercise is exercise C. In exercise C, what will we do? So here is the exercise C. What is wrong with this sentence is, so student, we have to find out that what it wrong with this sentences. So in first, you can see my birthday falls on a Saturday this year. So we have to write my birthday, we have to write M in a capital because it is a M in a small letter, so we should write M in a capital letter. My birthday falls on a Saturday, so we have to write Saturday in a capital, Saturday this year. So this is the fault in this given sentence. So like this we have to solve this all one by one. In second, I love to watch cartoon shows. So we have to write I in a capital. I love to watch cartoon shows. And after that, at last we have to put a full stop. In number third, it snow more in January than in December. So student, we have to write that it snow more in January than in December. So firstly we have to write I in a capital, and after that J and D in a capital. Okay. The J of January and D of December, it should be begin with a capital. Number 4, my friend Jan was absent today. So we have to write my friend Jan, so we have to change J in a capital. Jan was absent today. Okay, now number 5, so I can speak French very well. So we have to write I in a capital. I can speak French. So French is a language, so we have to learn that. We also write the languages in capital, so we have to write F in a capital letter. So I can speak French very well. Now the next stage, number 6. In number 6, we have a holiday on Independence Day. So student, we all know that Independence Day is a holiday. Okay, so we have to write, we have a holiday on, we have to change I in a capital, Independence Day. Okay, now the next, number 7, Matt ate a slice of cake and some wafers. So we have to write Matt M in a capital. Matt ate a slice of cake and some wafers. Okay, and after that we have to put a full stop in its sentences. Okay, at the last of every sentences we have to put a full stop. Now the next, number 8, my uncle lives in Chennai. So student, we have to write my uncle lives in a Chennai. We have to change C in a capital. Now the next, Nilu's pet Monty is very cute. So here we have to write Nilu's pet Monty. We have to change M in a capital. Monty is very cute. Okay. Now the next, number 10 is Leena's father is a doctor and mother is a professor. So we have to write Leena's father is a doctor and mother is a professor. Okay students, like this we have to complete this exercise C. Now after that, come to the next is exercise D. In exercise D, put this word in the correct orders to make sentences. Use capital letters and full stop. One has been done for you. So student, here in exercise D, we again do the same things. Okay, we have to use capital letter, and the last of sentence we have to use a full stop. So in number 1, firstly we have to rearrange this given word. So student, in number 1, as you can see that eat jammy noodles, so we have to write Jammy eats noodles. Okay, now the next, second, smart are we students, so we have to write we are smart students. In number 3, Funny the is clone. So we have to write the clone is funny. Now the next, number 4, are roses red this? So we have to write these roses are red, and after that we have to put a full stop. Now the next, number 5, swim water in fish. So fish swim in water. Now the number 6, bake cake Shiv tasty. So we have to write Shiv baked tasty cakes. Okay. Number 7, the is bag green. So we have to write the bag is green. Now the number 8, teacher Ram's father is. So we have to write Ram's father is a teacher. Ram's father is a teacher. And number 9, pretty the looks doll. So we have to write the doll looks pretty. The doll looks pretty. And number 10, are monkeys bananas eating the? So firstly we have to write the monkeys are eating bananas. Okay, the monkeys are eating bananas. So student, like this you have complete this all the exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay students, I hope you all are understood that how to complete this exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. So student, so that's it for today. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep your study well. Okay student, thank you.